Non-banking finance company Fedbank Financial Services IPO is going to be hitting street next week, and here's everything that you need to know about this IPO before looking to invest here. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this video is all about the upcoming IPO, Fedbank Financial Services. Remember, the price band has already been fixed for this IPO at 133 rupees to 140 rupees per share. The lot size has also been fixed for a minimum bid of 107 equity shares, and then in multiples of 107 shares that you can actually subscribe for. Now, remember, this is the IPO of a South-based federal bank subsidiary that will be opening for subscription on November 22nd. The issue will remain open for public bidding up until November of 24th. Now, this offer includes a fresh issue of shares worth 600 crore rupees by the company, and then an offer for sale of 3.5 crore equity shares as well. Under the offer for sale, we will see Federal Bank, which will offload 54.74 lakh shares, and the remaining shares will also be sold by investors like True North Fund, LLP, the private equity fund as well. At the upper end of the price band, this Federal Bank promoted company will mop up 1,092.26 crores to augment the company's Tier 1 capital base to fund growth of the business and the assets going forward. Now, remember, the Federal Bank, private sector bank, owns about 74% in this NBFC arm at present, and True North Fund holds about 25.3% shares in Fedbank Financial Services. Now, considering the upper end of the price band, Fedbank Financial Services, like I said, will be raising about 1,092 odd crore rupees via this IPO route. The NBFC has also set aside shares worth 10 crores for its employees as well, who will also get a benefit of a discount of 10 rupees per share within this IPO as well. Now, about 50% of this IPO is also reserved for the qualified institutional bidders, and 15% for the non-institutional investors, and the rest 35% of the portion will be reserved for the retail investors. Now, what will the company be looking at by raising such funds, 1,092 crore rupees odd that it is looking to raise with this IPO? The net proceeds from the fresh issue will be used to augment the financial services company or the NBFC company's Tier 1 capital base to meet the company's future capital requirements arising from the growth of the business and the assets. Now, ICICI Securities, BNP Paribas, Aquarius Capital and JM Financial are also the book-running lead managers of this issue, while Link In Time India Private Limited is the registrar for this IPO as well. Now, the company's listed industry peers include, where it will be competing with, will be Aptus Value Housing, which have a PE of 27.04. IIFL Finance it will be competing with, which already has a PE of 14.5. You also have 5-Star Business Finance, which it will be competing with a PE of 31.7. Manappuram Finance will also be another peer that it will be competing with a PE of 7.28, and also Muthoot Finance with a PE of 14.29. Now, as per the draft red herring prospectus, how has the company's financials been? That is something that you need to know before looking to subscribe to this IPO as well. Fedfina's net profit has soared from 61.6 odd crore rupees at the end of March of 2021 to about 180 crores by the end of March of 2023. Its assets also have stood at 9,071 odd crore rupees at the end of the previous fiscal year, up from 5,466 odd crore rupees at the end of FY21 and 6,555 crore rupees at the end of FY22. So there is a continuous jump in this figure as well. Now, let's talk about the revenues as well. The company's revenues have also doubled to 1,214 crore rupees odd from 697 odd crore rupees at the end of March 2021 to March 2023, when it reported the revenue of 1,214 odd crore rupees as well. So this is as far as all the key details of this Fedbank Financial Services IPO are concerned. Do stay tuned on to Business Today Television to get all the updates from the top brokerage houses and analysts to find out whether this IPO will definitely suit your portfolio or not. Until then, many thanks for watching this video.